Rhino Restoration of Texas is a leading roofing and restoration company that specializes in high-quality roof replacement services. Austin, Texas. We understand the importance of having a strong and durable roof over your head, and we strive to provide the best solutions for all your roofing needs. Our expert technicians use top-quality materials and advanced techniques to ensure that your roof replacement is done efficiently and effectively, with minimal disruption to your daily routine. Contact our roof replacement today to schedule a consultation. Are you looking for a roof replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found Rhino Restoration of Texas. How often do you need to replace a roof in Texas? Roof replacement in Texas occurs every 15 to 20 years. Do you need a permit for roof repair in Texas? A permit is usually not required for replacing or repairing damaged siding, sheetrock, or windows. Simple roofing or roof vent repairs do not need a permit. A re-roof permit is required when replacing substantial sections of a roof or a complete roof. What is your service area for the Austin, Texas office? Our local roof replacement have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Austin, Fredericksburg, Llano, New Braunfels, Lampasas, Temple, Cameron, College Station, Brenham, Columbus, Gonzales, Navasota, Killeen, Seguin, Saba, Burnet, San Marcos, Grange, Madisonville, San Antonio, Waco, Houston, Texas. Where is your roof replacement services located? We are located at 8912 Achita Drive, Austin, Texas 78749. Our phone number is 512-825-0478. Visit our website, www.rhinoroofstx.com.